night. So when it was sold to Dow Chemical, then the remains of the buildings, the remains, if you happen to go in there, if you're a resident of Bay City, I have never been in there, but they still have rubble, as they refer to it, or landmarks of some of the buildings from that particular alkali company. So that's part of that history of that piece of land. And as I said, we'll talk about the other part of the history of that land being Skull Island. Have a beautiful view of a waterway on the left-hand side, the port side. And this, as I said, this particular landmark was an island, a point, if not two islands. Now it's a peninsula. But this particular part of waterway right here is referred to as the floodplain, and the floodplain is something where it's the deepest part of the river. So if you have a big ship or you have a big freighter that needs to change its course in the river, then it would go, it's allowed to go into the, not allowed, but that's the part where they would go into the floodplain, as it is the deepest part there, turn around and then make its course down the way that it needed to go. So the floodplain is one known as part of the deepest part of the river. Speaking of the river, the Saginaw River is made up of three tributaries, the Pass, the Tittabawassee, and the Shiawassee. And the depth of the river, people are sort of curious about that. That changes from season to season, even from the beginning of the season to the end. The reason for that is the amount of precipitation that we may have, whether it be rain during the summer months, so we don't have, during the winter months, it would be sleet and snow and that kind of thing. But also the wind has quite a factor in changing the depth of the river.